Okay, treetop spider, here's one for you. Short video. This guy carved this clock, over 200, well, I'm sorry, not a clock, this case. And so you've got to go over these and sand them oh so carefully so they come out very nice. Anyway, I've got all this to do in there, and then I've got to do the rest of that one. Here's a little view of my little 10 by 10 area. That one back there is one that I found. Actually, I did find it. What do you think? I'm going to work on that one next. And then I know you've seen this. No, not that. That one there in the middle. Okay, bye-bye now.